What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Spax Wirox Countersunk flooring screws. So right guys, I'm actually doing a video on these because I couldn't get no information on these screws anywhere online. So these screws are best used on floorboards or flooring or decking boards or any kind of fencing. So right, what can I tell you about them? They come in 4.5mm thickness and they're 60mm long, and they come in a pack of 300 screws. So like I said, these screws are best used on any kind of flooring or decking boards or fencing. So they supply you a T20 bit with it so you can drive them in. The screws themselves are Wirox coated countersunk screws, which mean no pre-drilling or countersinking beforehand. They're made from hardened steel and have single threads and synthetic coated, which makes them easier to drive in. So that's the most information I can give you about them. I'll let you have a look what they look like. So these are the actual screws, and that's what they look like. Like I said, they come in a pack of 300. Let's see if we can get that in. That's the T20, and they actually supply you the bit for it as well. I don't know if that'll come up. Like I said, these are the best screws you can use. Like I said, they're easy to drive down in the countersunk for themselves, but more than anything else, they don't come loose. You know, when you end up with squeaky floorboards and stuff like that and they've ended up pulling back out, these seem to do the trick, and they're the best thing for it. And like I said, online I've tried to have a look at what they look like and what they're about, and there is no information about them at all. So this is basically a video for anybody who's thinking about buying them, so they can have a first look. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody who's thinking about buying them, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.